Let's do this. Lamarr Wilson. How you doing? Good to see Lamarr Wilson here, back for another video, back for another unboxing. And look, I know the lighting's a little weird. Bear with me. We're down in the dining room area. Had to move the table because I couldn't take this up. Listen, you see this big old box? LG sent this. First of all, thank you, LG, for sponsoring this video, but dang. So this is the LG Super UHD TV SK9500. Now this is different from last year's model. It has significantly improved black levels compared to last year's TV models with full array dimming, backlighting by controlling more LED light zones. Has consistent picture and color quality at any viewing angle. Enhanced gaming capabilities like low lag, realistic images, smooth motion, so on. Cinematic experience with 4K HDR and Dolby Atmos. You know how much I love Dolby Atmos. Get out of here. Oh, I'm so strong. While I have it safely on this table, you know, the screen is protected and all that, just want to show you the ports. Let's go ahead and focus in on those. And you see you got the HDMI, you got 4 of those, USB, USB 2. I like that they're on the side and not on the bottom. This, I don't know, this is just easier for me to reach on the side. I like that. Another USB here, AV port. I love that it has LAN and cable. Does anybody have cable anymore? I like that the power cord has a door here, and I'm about to put the stand right here. All right, so I already screwed and put this together, so that's secure. I'm gonna go ahead and latch this in. All right, gonna just thread the cord through here. Let's see, is this how this works? Oh. Well, that's convenient. Look at that. Now, through the wonders of magic and probably some help that you can't see on camera, I'm gonna raise this up and have it on the table. Voila! It even has a lens flare. Sorry. Take that off. Oh, this is so, oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh, that is so satisfying. That is so satisfying. That is so satisfying. That is so satisfying. Oh. Oh. All right, so this is the LG remote that comes with it. Go ahead and press power for the first time. So while that's loading up, I just wanted to show you kind of the sleek lines. Man, just look at that LG logo. The profile from the back is sleek. Look at that. Woo. Wait, this is plenty. Wait, what's going on? Oh, what is that? Oh no, this ain't Planet Earth 2!
Racer snakes.
Oh Lord, have mercy. Don't get them! Run, baby! All right, so listen, the camera that I'm showing you, this does not do it justice. This is the type of thing you have to see in person. So if you can get to a store and see this, you'll be able to see it with your eye versus off of camera. But I'm telling you, this is definitely improved from last year's model that you saw me unbox. That link will be displayed somewhere too. Oh, this is cool. Focus. So guys, there you go. I will put the link to this below. You get more information. Again, I encourage you, this is kind of the type of thing, read on it, look at the video, go to a store if you can, take a look at it and get some more information. So guys, thanks so much for watching. LG, thanks so much for sending me this beautiful TV. Here's my comment question of the day. I sound like Ray William Johnson. What type of TV do you own and what's the biggest size that you have? I just kind of want to poll you. I'm curious. 65, 75? If some of y'all got 75s, I want to hear about it. Anyway, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!